Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting what Apple needs. The Apple Watch serial or EMEI and clear proof of purchase, because Apple cannot remove activation lock without ownership evidence. Once done, immediately contact the seller, call, text, or email, and ask them to remove the watch from their iCloud account. If you can reach them, have them sign into iCloud. Select Find My, and remove the device. You do this to prove legitimate ownership and avoid any lock removal workaround that would breach terms. Once you cannot reach the previous owner or they cannot remove the lock, contact Apple support and explain the situation. You must provide serial, original proof of purchase, and valid photo ID. Apple will walk you through verification steps, sometimes remote, sometimes requiring an in-person appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider. Make sure to bring the original receipt, the watch, and any correspondence with the seller. This process exists to prevent theft and to legally transfer activation control to you. You complete the process when Apple accepts your documentation and removes activation lock, or when the prior owner removes the device via iCloud. If Apple deems proof insufficient, you should return the watch to the seller or ask them to escalate with better documentation. Do not attempt unauthorized bypass methods. If the device is suspected stolen, contact local law enforcement and provide serial, purchase records, and seller communications. This preserves your legal protection and may enable recovery through proper channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.